Our power generation market is dynamic and ever-changing. In order to win in this market, we must be an organization that embraces innovation and transformation. This is true for the utility that's providing solutions to the end customer, and it's true for the contractor providing solutions to the utility. With dynamic change comes dynamic opportunity. And with our competitive advantages, we at APM have a great opportunity to meet the challenges that our customers have and provide them with the solutions that they need. Our competitive advantages include our collaborative business model, in which we have craft partners who join with us to deliver the right team for the right customer. Our Airtime software platform that empowers advanced planning and real-time performance transparency. Our Leadership Development Center that produces the next generation of professional field leaders. Our standard of daily disciplined performance that delivers consistent excellence. And our culture that values the dignity of a craftsman.
When we have focused businesses, that leads to solutions for our customers. When we offer our customers solutions, that adds value to our business, we add value to their business. From there, we end up becoming a value-added proposition to them, thereby obtaining the ability to grow, more opportunities to build the business, and from there, we win as one.
So Airtime is a custom-built software solution that our business uses to push and pull data in a near real-time environment, and then take that information and give it to the customer in a manner that they need it. So in Airtime, our supervision has the capability to view historical and current data about the site during execution. They can communicate with their counterparts, and all this is at their fingertips. It's been a game changer for APM.
In business, you must make a sound business case for investment. The more precisely and accurately we are able to measure the ROI through data, the more we will be able to invest in ourselves.
So who are we? We are One APM, a team of experts passionate about delivering solutions with a dedicated focus on safety, quality, integrity, and efficiency in our work. We live these values not just because we know it delivers the highest benefit for our customers, but because it's the character and heartbeat of our organization. We are committed to delivering sustainable solutions in our industry because we're honored to help deliver power to the world.
We must be aligned to deliver our vision and win as One APM. We employ 8,000 craftsmen every year. That's a great responsibility for us, but it's also a great opportunity, an opportunity to impact the lives of an infinite number of people for the better. So join us on this journey to win as One APM.